The GoBlock allows you to take your dual battery system away from the vehicle. You can take it fishing, you can take it down to the beach, you don't need to be tied to your vehicle.
So what's awesome about it is that it's about probably the size of a slab of beer, and it fits in the back of the car really easily. It's square and rectangular in shape, so you can pack everything around it and you can plug everything in that you need while you're going away. It's really cool. And so they could be camping, bushwalking, hiking, and this is where the GoBlock enables us to be able to provide a solution for those types of people that want to set up a campsite, want to run a 12-volt fridge, they want to charge their drones, they want to make memories, and in comfort without trading off any of those sort of electronic luxuries.
As a four-wheel drive user myself, I'm really excited about the GoBlock because I don't want the hassle of installing a full dual battery system with a permanent setup.
There's been a lot of design thinking that have gone into this so that if you're stumbling around the campsite at night or the kids have spilt a drink or something like that, this thing is designed to be able to be life-proof and robust in those outdoor situations where you just want to party and have fun, power the drone, have the cold drinks in the fridge, and you don't have to overthink it.
We went to customers, campers, RV users, tradies, and looked at their problems, and then we brought that back and developed GoBlock, looking at those to resolve those problems for them.
First type of research where we were looking at customers and how they were actually travelling around and their off-grid and outback experiences, as well as looking at forums and finding out how people actually tried to overcome this power management situation. We see people where the vehicle is the adventure, and so the vehicle becomes the mobile home, it becomes the adventure itself. But there's this whole market out there, and they could be Subaru Forester drivers, they could be RAV4 people, but the vehicle is not the adventure, but the vehicle gets them to the adventure. And so they could be camping, bushwalking, hiking, and this is where the GoBlock enables us to be able to provide a solution for those types of people.
We have developed our very own lithium iron phosphate battery using REDARC technology, which allows super quick charging, a long lifetime on the battery, and a super light solution.
Lithium batteries inherently don't have a wide operating temperature range, but we've done everything we can possibly do with the GoBlock to increase that temperature range and make the product suitable for Australian conditions. It's not like other battery boxes out there at the moment. It charges fast, so you can charge it multiple times away from mains power.
The GoBlock charges in a number of different ways, so you can charge it in the garage with a wall plug, you can charge it in the vehicle with the socket charger if you wanted to. You don't need to have all this wiring and integration to your vehicle if you don't want to, but if you want that 50 amp onboard fast charge, then it's quite simple to do with an Anderson connection straight into the unit. So there's so many ways that you can charge this. I'm almost forgetting solar. It's solar ready as well. So it's got MPPT inside, so you just connect the solar blanket, so you can use it inside the vehicle, you can use it outside the vehicle.
Or you can charge it using Green Power Priority through the power dock. Green Power Priority means that you can take as much power as you can from a renewable energy source before supplementing that with vehicle power. That means that it's going to be less load on your alternator. You can trickle charge it from the DC accessory socket via a SIG cable or the DC plug pack that's provided with the unit. You can fast charge it through the auxiliary Anderson input via solar or via vehicle power.
The GoBlock has Bluetooth connectivity to the RedVision app. This allows you to monitor aspects of your GoBlock such as state of charge, time till full, and time till flat. It also allows you to access start battery recovery mode.
Start battery recovery is a 15-minute charging conditioning profile for your vehicle start battery. It uses the GoBlock to charge your start battery so you can get moving again. Unlike a jump start, the start battery recovery profile actually revives your battery a little bit. So you can start the vehicle, stop at the petrol station, and then start the vehicle again, and you'll be able to get home safe.
The GoBlock has been designed with a number of different use cases in mind. So it contains a merit connector output, a cigarette socket output, and a fridge socket output. In addition to this, it also contains a 50 amp output for your high current loads, such as compressors, and also 4 USB outputs to charge small accessories like your phone. The GoBlock has been designed and tested with Australian conditions in mind. This includes vibration on corrugated roads, vibration testing for four-wheel driving, EMC testing to make sure that it doesn't interfere with your other vehicle electronics, and accelerated life testing, which jams 10 years worth of lifetime use of the product into a month's worth of testing.
I think the GoBlock's a product that isn't just for hardcore off-roaders. There's definitely a need for people to be able to power smaller devices when they go to the beach or get away for a weekend. And I think this will open us up to a new demographic of customers that don't necessarily want to do those massive mods to their vehicle, and they're not really a hardcore four-wheel driver, but they definitely do need to have power when they get away.
It's whether the vehicle is critical in the journey or whether the vehicle gets you to the adventure. We now have got solutions for everyone in that range. This has found a really good sweet spot between the adventure and the people. And if the adventure is around the car, dual battery system is perfect, but the adventure is outside of the car and somewhere else, down the beach, at a campsite where you set up base camp, and this is a perfect solution for that.